I often like to start with, how many cases are going on globally, and I think it helps us think about what's happening here, but also reminds us that it's such a global situation. There are about 1.7 million cases in the world and over 103,000 deaths. And in the country, there are over 22,000 cases, and last I looked, 569 deaths. Although there are no new positive cases to announce today for P.E.I, we have received over 129 negative tests back since Thursday. So it keeps our COVID-19 positive cases to 25, but no new cases today. We've done close to 1,800 tests on P.E.I, and our testing per million, which is how we compare to the other provinces, is slightly higher than the national average. As we've previously mentioned, our ground search and rescue is out at some of the provincial parks starting today, tomorrow, and Monday to help with our ongoing messaging around physical distancing as people may be out getting some fresh air. I know today the stores may be busy and there are more cars on the road. I'd like to remind Islanders that there should be a designated member of the household running out for essential items. And when you are in the stores, practicing physical distancing for yourself, other shoppers, and the staff. This weekend is an important weekend for us to continue to stay the course. For many of us, Easter traditionally means getting together with family and friends, and this year will be different, and it is hard. We've had some questions about whether or not extended family dinners are okay this weekend, and this Easter, everyone should only be celebrating in person with those who you live with. However, it's also an opportunity to find new ways to connect and support one another. And there's so many different options that people are exploring, and whether that's picking up the phone, but participating in video chats, streaming a movie together, online cooking shows, and it's certainly been amazing how people have come up with different ways to connect. Even though we don't see any new cases today, I do expect we will have more cases, and that some may result in people becoming ill and needing to be hospitalized. But it is a time to thank Islanders for incredible and hard work in doing really important public health measures. And so I am asking you to continue doing what you're doing, staying home as much as possible, self-isolate after travel anywhere outside the province, practice physical distancing when you need to go out, washing your hands, all those things we continue to say. If we follow these measures now, we have a chance to make a real difference in the weeks ahead. And I think the great work that people have been doing in P.E.I, the incredible hard work that we've been talking about, it is having an impact, and a really good impact on the province. What we're starting to talk about and think about is how and when we can ease up on some of these public health restrictions. It's not time yet, but I know we will all want to get there, and we will together. Thank you.